There you are, Rosa.
Thank you.
There's a fiver in there from last week as well.
Thank you very much.
Right. Rosa, could I ask you something?
Yes.
You think it's a very good job that you do.
Yes.
I just wondered if it would be easier with another Hoover.
Another one.
Well, a new one.
I don't need a new one.
Just the one you use is very small.
Yeah, very small. It's very good.
I mean, 6 inches is very small indeed.
It's very small inch.
A 6-inch Hoover.
Yes.
It does take a bit long, doesn't it?
A long time.
Well, it seems to take you 2 days.
One day and the next day, yes.
Hoovering all the big carpets with that tiny little machine.
Yes, very small. It's very good for dust.
Dust.
Dust is very small.
Dust is very small.
A big Hoover is very big. No good for little dust because it is too much. They get down the dust.
But it's much quicker, isn't it?
It's not good for small dust. Dust is small.
Yes, but you have to crawl up and down on your knees.
Finding the dust.
Yes, but we could get you a bigger Hoover, Rosa.
You don't like my work?
No, it's very good. It's very, very good. But with a normal Hoover, you'd be finished in half a day.
There is something wrong with my small.
No, it's just a time thing. If you have this. That noise in the house for 2 days a week, it's difficult to work.
You want me to go?
No. Look, Rosa, we just want the cleaning to be done on 1 day, not 2. It doesn't need 2.
Well, I don't know.
What do you mean?
I don't know.
Rosa? Rosa? What's the matter?
I must use it. Very good.
Well, look, if you want to, yes, but really, we want you to get your work done in 1 day.
3 days.
3 days?
I need 3 days to do for proper job.
3 days?
It's not possible 2 days no more. Not with this and all small.
Rosa.
I buy 20 of these.
What are those?
Little dusters for the small mess.
Look, well, it's no bigger than a stamp.
Please, don't be cross. I do my best. I buy this special for the house. Please, I like it here very much. I do good work. Please, for 3 days is no problem for me.
I know.
Please, Mr. Paul, I do very good with all the dust.
Oh, all right.
Every little bloody dirt.
It's 3 days.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right.
I go now.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Pulsers. Oh, hello. Hi, have you finished? How'd it go? That's good. Yeah, she's gone. Well, no, she's actually going to do 3 days now. Yeah, I know. No, I couldn't. She had about 20 miniature dusters. Well, okay, see you later, bye.